how to get money out of your rich uncle, the universe, fast. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Today we're going to talk about your rich uncle, the universe. You know, you've got one of these uncles that never had a family of their own. And so you are your rich uncle's family. And you are now partners in your rich uncle's business. And so you can manifest anything you desire as long as you realize that. You have to realize that you have the God force power within you, that you have the bloodline of your rich uncle, the universe, flowing through you, and that your rich uncle is ready and willing and able to help you manifest more money, wealth, love, a better relationship, anything you desire. So I'm going to give you a few tips today on how to get money fast from your rich uncle, okay? Number one, we don't ask our rich uncle for money. We don't ask our rich uncle for an extra $500. We invoke the power, the bloodline, the right, the God force energy within us from our subconscious mind all the way out to our conscious mind. In other words, we become very intense and we say, rich uncle, infinite universe, infinite field of potential, I invoke your miraculous powers into my life this very day, this very moment, to deliver me my inheritance. Just a small portion of it, just a small micro portion of it. I accept it now. $500. Now, I want you to use that invocation or a variation of it, but I want you to use it with intensity, and I want you to use it with absolute certainty and absolute belief. And I am absolutely certain you will bring in an extra 100, 200, 500. I have brought in as much as $5,000 that I didn't expect by using a similar invocation. Oh yeah, secret number 2, leave out these mamby-pamby words like try, please, I want, I need. Leave that stuff out. That stuff will stop. Your rich uncle just gets really peed off when you talk like that, because your rich uncle, the universe, does not respond to your wants. The rich uncle that you have, your partner in manifestation, responds to your absolute certainty, to your deep-seated beliefs. That's the key. You have to literally reach inside you and say, I absolutely know, I know that this $500 is mine, and I have it in my hands right now. I can feel it. I like the feel of brand new $100 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or whatever you're going for. Use words of power. I expect. I invoke. It is. I am. I am the inheritance of $500 this very day. And that's just a small seed. Speak with power. When you speak to your rich uncle, and your rich uncle will respect you and say, I know exactly what you desire. Here it is. Let me write you out a check. I don't take checks, rich uncle. No, I take cash. And now, high flyers, let me give you an incantation and an affirmation to work hand in hand with bringing instant cash into your life from your rich uncle. First, the incantation. An incantation is a direct command to your subconscious mind. It's kind of like, I don't know how to explain it. You're not talking directly to your rich uncle. You're talking to your subconscious mind, which then communicates the message to the infinite field of potential, the universe, your rich uncle. Okay, I command my subconscious mind to quickly and powerfully send out a vibration of $500 now. Let me repeat that incantation. I command my subconscious mind to powerfully and quickly send out a vibration of $500 now. In other words, you're sending out a vibration from your energy field. Your rich uncle picks that up and says, oh, yeah, okay, let's get that 500 bills to him ASAP. Now you need an affirmation to go with it. That's your incantation. That's your direct command to your subconscious mind. Now you need the affirmation. I am now in possession of $500. Oh, yeah. It's simple, it's fast, it's easy. Okay, I'm going to give you an alternate one that I also like, and you can use either one of these. You don't need to use them both, but here's another combination incantation, affirmation that you can use at the same time. I invoke my subconscious mind to put me into an absolute state of jubilation over the extra $500 I have received from the universe. I invoke my subconscious mind to put me into an absolute state of jubilation over the extra $500 I have received from the universe. There's your incantation. Now, high flyers, here's the affirmation that pairs up with that. I accept. Oh, yeah. I accept the extra $500 from my rich uncle, the infinite field of potential. And finally, don't forget this. Hey, rich uncle, thank you for sending me some extra dough. I'll pick it up shortly. I do that all the time. I will say to my rich uncle, I'll say, hey, thank you, rich uncle. Thanks for sending me some extra dough, some extra cash. I'll pick it up later today. And guess what? Later today, money comes. It really works. And you simply embed yourself with deep belief, absolute certainty, speaking words of power, and having fun with it at the same time. When you have a sense of humor about it, money just seems to flow easier because you don't take it so seriously and you stop choking the energy. You allow the flow of cash into your life. Now, put your victories down below. Claim your extra $500. It's yours. Your rich uncle is writing. No, don't accept checks. Your rich uncle is counting out those $500 bills right now. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. And thank you for subscribing and clicking the bell icon. That's the way that I like to use the universe. It's kind of an